There she is. Very nice, clean. The boot itself, just so you know, with this handle, it doesn't have that little catch that the stock handle has that holds the boot up. So I used a little trick. You push the boot all the way up as high as you can get it, and with a hose clamp from underneath, get the hose clamp in there, push it up tight, and tighten it down snug. Now, you don't want to cut into the wires, so I used some felt over the wire and wrapped it around the shaft, and then put the clamp over that and tightened it down, and that way it wouldn't damage the wires. But I got in there snug. See, everything seems to be tight. Alright, so I'm going to start her up, get her going, and she's going to be a little warm because I started it a minute ago and tried to warm it up a little bit. Here we go. Handle, put it through the gears, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, good, reverse, alright, everything's good there, hood is open, we know. Watch this. Woo!